Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp soup at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh shrimp, a variety of vegetables, and a good quality broth. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Remember to use a large, sturdy pot to accommodate all the delicious components. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly comforting meal. Now let's get those ingredients prepped. Carefully peel and devine about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, setting them aside. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 crisp carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Don't forget to mince 3 cloves of garlic. This aromatic base is crucial for flavor. Proper preparation ensures every bite is perfect. With your ingredients ready, it's time to build the soup's rich flavor. In your large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion, carrots, celery, and minced garlic until softened, about 5 minutes. Then, pour in 4 cups of your chosen broth. Let this simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, we're ready for the finishing touches. Add your prepared shrimp to the simmering broth and cook for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until they turn pink and opaque. Overcooking makes them tough. Stir in about 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro or parsley for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious shrimp soup hot, perhaps with a squeeze of lime for extra zest. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.